Hello and welcome. You're watching India Today. I'm Akshita Nandagopal. Big breaking news that's coming in this hour of JP Nadda, the BJP chief, responding to Sonia Gandhi's letter from a few days ago where she slammed the central government, the union government, over its handling of the COVID crisis. Sonia Gandhi had written this letter on 9th May raising questions of the government. JP Nadda has now responded, slamming Sonia Gandhi, saying, and I quote here from an excerpt of that letter, I'm saddened but not surprised by the conduct of the Congress during these times. While there are a few members of your party doing commendable role in helping people, their hard work gets eclipsed by the negativity being spread by senior members of the party. So BJP chief JP Nadda responding to the criticism from Sonia Gandhi, saying that there are senior members of the Congress who are spreading negativity over how COVID is being fought in the country. Anand Patel is joining us with more details on this. Anand, any response that's coming from the Congress so far on JP Nadda saying that the Congress is spreading negativity over the fight against COVID?
Well, you see, the manner in which this response has come, this looks like, the BJP has now decided to take on the Congress party as far as its letters, statements are concerned. We've seen a number of letters from Sonia Gandhi, from Rahul Gandhi, and even Dr. Manmohan Singh. And we've seen how Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan had responded to Dr. Manmohan Singh's letter, over which he had drawn a lot of flack. But now this letter comes in wake of yesterday's Congress Working Committee, during which the opening remarks were made by Congress President Sonia Gandhi, and she had again lashed out at the government's COVID management policy. She had questioned the vaccination policy of the government, to which JP Nadda has very categorically responded and said that, look, it were the states which demanded the decentralization of the vaccination, and now that the centre has done it, the Congress party is blaming us. Centre has also fixed a pre-50% quota, which it is still supplying for the age group of 45 and above. So clearly on the vaccination policy, the response of the BJP president is very clear. But he's also targeted Rahul Gandhi. Remember, Rahul Gandhi has been tweeting on and off over the government's pandemic management. And he's particularly mentioned about the Kerala rallies of Rahul Gandhi. And he said that, look, you're pointing out fingers towards us, but what you did in Kerala, large rallies were taken out. So that has contributed to spreading of the virus. So clearly, looks like politics will be in full play. And
right. So on a number of fronts, you've got JP Nadda lashing out at Sonia Gandhi at the Congress camp as well. I will wait a reaction that comes in from the Congress. No doubt this is going to lead to a lot of political mudslinging. Anand, thank you very much for joining us with those details.